Hi, today I want to show you a gadget F4 timer, also called flip timer or timer cube. It's a tiny gadget you set just by flipping it. Great for Pomodoro, cooking, workouts. I'm thinking right now of using it to baking bread, but it won't be in the next minutes. Now I just want to tell you that I will make it on the parts. First part will be about the functions, second will be pros and cons, and on the end I will tell you why I like it. So stay tuned. And before I go forward, just if you can, give me one like or subscribe. It will really helps me with starting this channel. Thank you. So about that flipping thing, maybe I will show what is in the box. Box for me is not important, so I won't waste much time. I just opened before. It was a cable to charge it because we have USB-C, like you see. It's working. I have other USB-C around, so we can see we have LED in here. What we have more here? Some info how it works, but for me it's not important because it's really user-friendly device. So this is thing that in which one was baked. So package is not important for me, like I said. This is the thing is important. So what we have it is a cube like we see. I will turn it on. Let's rotate it. We have on off. Yeah, so we can see it's on off. You see even first is the mode that you can switch what time it will be using. Yeah, like I said, it's intuition, nothing going. When it's in this position, it's starting going again. We want to change minutes, so it's changed it. Some people say it's not working correctly, so let's check it, because I found something like that in internet. Like you see, it's working. Pause working too. It's first position that work this way when you pick and choose time just by rotating that cube. Okay, so now let's see about those second mode. So first mode was the rotation by the cube, and we have automatically switching the timer. Now we will switch to the second mode. Second mode is our own time what we will pick, and we have seconds, minutes, start, stop. It's really easy. You have only to switch it like that. Minutes, seconds, and if you use longer switch, start, stop, it's reset. In this moment we can check how it vibrate. I use 1 second. We can hear it. So simple test how vibration work on the normal places. Like you see, it's moving, so it's possibility of dropping down, so look out for it, but it shows that way vibration is really good. So I stop it just by clicking, and now let's see how sound works. Yeah, I switch it to the second mode of sound. Now will be with sound. Nothing special, no vibrations. I will check if it's possible to... Oh, I can switch it right now and see. how loud it is. Okay, so this is how sound works. Oh, and one more function. I don't know if I will be ready to use it right now, but I believe it works something like that. Oh, it works. No, it didn't. Oh, and I have 0. Yeah, and if I click it now, yeah, we have minutes. Switching, we can count minutes and seconds right now just by that. So not only counting back, but counting forward too. Okay, so pros and cons. Maybe first pros. It's easy to use, even with one hand you can use it. It just works. Yeah, I just right now switching it, and I can use it right now. I can stop it. Let's see what happened with this device. Oh, I I reset the timer in this mode. I didn't know it yet. We have a really good LED here. I believe it's more than enough for me even. Rechargeable, so you can use USB-C. For me is really great. Biggest advantage that it's new generation USB, not the oldest. Many things have oldest that kind of things, because like I saw it, it's from China. It's something, yeah, it's something like here how you have battery capability, but it's working just fine, so I didn't have to charge it many times, and I'm not looking for it too much, so hard to say for how long it's working. I believe it's when it's 10%, it alarm itself, so I don't have problem with charging it yet. Okay, so another cons is that you can use it for everything. So you can switch it by Pomodoro, you can use it for kitchen, you can switch it for vibrating, everything what you need, you can use it. Yeah, so if I want to switch something right now to the second program, I just use it, and I can see how long bread is baking or other things. Cons, hard to say. I saw on internet it's fingering, but I tried a lot and you can see it. Nothing, almost nothing. I have many other devices that fingering a lot more than this one. No water resistance, okay, but I don't know what persons doing on the desk. Drink coffee, not swimming of course, maybe crying about the code that they read, or from the laugh from some movie, anime, I don't know. Maybe that's why they need waterproof, hard to say. Minutes, seconds only. I don't believe you need more than 90 minutes, because it is max 99 minutes, I believe. So I don't see in this price and this really cheap thing, I don't see any big cons. Maybe it was the bigger price I was looking for it, but with this really cheap option to buy some device that you can just use it around, nope. Okay, so why I like it because it's simple. You can use it without the apps. You don't have apps to connect with. It's really cheap and looks really solid and good. And what can I say more? I hear it from the colleagues that use it, and it's for me, this kind info is really big because someone used it before me, so can say about his own opinion, and it's really good. It helps to organize his time. And I must say about reading some books like Eat the Frog, Pomodoro, etc. I have not some more things to read, but solution how to use my time with switching just by mode. 30 minutes you can focus, it will be vibrating, and maybe you will find solution that way how to organize your time better with work or other things that you want to do. I think it's everything what I want to share it, because it's more than I was thinking that I will be saying about this simple device. Thank you for hearing. Bye.